I hope you guys are doing really well. I am so excited today because I am here at Embassy Golf Links in Bangalore for a workation. I had a lot of creative work lined up and somehow I just wasn't feeling any kind of inspiration in my house. Sometimes for creative work you need a little bit of change of space, which is why I've come here to spend the next 3 days and really get all of my creative juices flowing. I'm so excited. I hope you guys will join me in this whole journey as well. And with that, let's begin.
Welcome to Hilton Bangalore Embassy Golf Links, Saloni. Thank you so much for coming. We hope you enjoy your vacation. I'll take you to your room. Please come. Our team keeps sanitizing the entire area in the hotel to ensure that from your safety and hygiene perspective, it is well taken care of. As you've already seen, all our floors, we have placed these sanitizing stations. This is to ensure that not just our guests, but even our team members, they are constantly sanitizing their hands. The good thing is that most of our team members are already vaccinated. At least one dose of vaccination is done. Hilton Clean Stay program gives you that assurity that when you enter a Hilton hotel, whether it is Hilton Bangalore or anywhere in the world, you get a standardized clean stay program. We look forward to serving you.
Thank you so much. So we've just come to our room and this property is absolutely gorgeous. I'll give you a quick tour of this property as always. So this place that you see here right now is the hall part of the room. My mom's with us and we didn't want us to be staying in 2 different rooms. So we booked a room which had 2 different bedrooms in it. So there's one on this side and then one on this side, and in the center is the hall. So this is the hall part of the room and you can see my mom and my husband chilling on. Oh wait, oh this is so nice. So they've given us a really nice welcome note which says, "Dear Saloni, the entire team of Hilton Bangalore is excited to have you back. This is so nice." And then there's some macarons and some really nice things. This is so sweet. So this is the room where Paritosh and I will be staying. There's a really big bed here which I really like. There are 2 side tables which is always there. And then there's this work desk here which is so important because let's face it, this is not a vacation, it's a workation. And I'm supposed to be doing a lot of work. I have a lot of pending work to do. So I'll be spending a lot of time on this desk. I like that it comes with a lamp. And then these are the cupboards. And then this here is the washroom. It has everything like a bathtub and like your usual stuff, but I'll take you to the best part of the room, which is this crazy ass window. I am going to show you the view from here. And this is where my mom would be staying, which is the other room. I like the fact that this room actually has 2 beds. For me, like my mom's only going to be staying here, so that's fine. But if you come with like a larger family or if you have kids, I think this is going to be a really nice room for them. This also has the same view from the window. I think that's a golf club because this is Embassy Golf Links, so that's a golf club. I do see some people playing golf, which is so cool. And the last thing which I actually quite like is that they've also given us a small like a kitchenette. I would actually not call this a kitchenette. This is pretty big. There's an island here with 2 bar stools for us to eat. There's a lot of like utensils and stuff to make dinner. I feel like if people come here with kids or if you have allergies, it's a really nice thing for you to cook here. There's all kinds of cutlery that you need. There's a coffee station here. There's an induction stove. There's a dishwasher. There's an oven. There's a fridge. There's literally everything that you would need to make a beautiful stay here. I absolutely love this property, and now let's go and have lunch. So you guys know how we go for foodie I am. I'm really looking forward to the menu. So they've given us like this special menu for lunch today, and chef just came and explained everything to us. Really looking forward to this amazing menu that has, I feel like, a lot of different courses. Super excited.
I'll be making small portions so that there are almost 5 courses.
Yeah.
And I want you to, enjoy each course.
I think broccoli ka microgreen. Broccoli. The food was so delicious. I feel like I haven't eaten so much in so long. It was in 7 courses. Every single course was absolutely delicious. I am going back as a happy person and now off to work. So I have a lot of interviews and emails to catch up on, but wait, I'm going to change my location so that you guys can enjoy the view while I work. Just got done with a lot of emails, also did an office hour session for my academy students and came up with about 20 to 30 content ideas for a lot of different platforms that I create content for. I feel so productive at the end of such a nice work session. So now it's around 8:30 and I'm really hungry. So I want to go down and figure out what I'm supposed to eat at this place. There are a lot of different restaurants, so I think we're going to go to the Asian restaurant because Asian is my favorite. Let's go. मज़ा ही आ गया खाना खा के. The last dish we had was a burnt cheesecake. Never had it, but it was so good. I think this property, Hilton, has some of the best food in Bangalore. I would strongly recommend you to check it out. But for now, done for the day. मैं बहुत थक गई हूँ. मैं जा रही हूँ सोने. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. So it's day 2 of our vacation and today is a very exciting day. So this property is actually situated in the Embassy Golf Links Park and I was very excited about seeing the campus because I've heard such good things about it. So the hotel staff was really nice and they've organized a tour for us. So before we even begin our day or even have breakfast or anything, we're going to go out, take a tour of the whole campus and I'm really looking forward to it. So we've just stopped at this temple. Can you believe there's actually a temple inside this tech park with a very beautiful lotus pond here. Usually you wouldn't find stuff like this in a very like city specific staycation at a hotel, but I'm actually so happy to find, you know, all of these green spots here as well. It's really beautiful, and honestly, like when you're coming for a vacation trip, it's so important for you to have a little bit of calm and peace around you in order to feel you're 100% productive. So for me, I feel like this is that spot that's actually making me feel very calm, very happy from inside, so that I can go back and do my work at 100% capacity. So when you're booking a staycation, I would strongly recommend that you don't look for a property that's just sort of like a building, because you know there's not much to do in a building and it won't feel very different from your own house. Instead, look for properties that have like these kind of campuses, or you know a property that has a lot more to offer. Like Hilton here has so much to offer. Like this whole Embassy campus itself is such a good place for me to get inspiration, and in general it just feels a lot more open. Even though it's bang in the middle of the city, it still feels very fresh, it feels very different, it feels like you're muted from the outside world. Just came back from the trip of the Embassy Golf Links Park. It was so beautiful. This place has so many Instagrammable spots. I would strongly recommend you to come here. But for now, it's 9:30. I'm really hungry. I'm going to go have some food. For a lot of people on my channel, I think you already know that I'm a big fan of hotel buffets, breakfast buffets. So I'm going to go eat to my heart's content. Espresso, my favorite. I love having cut fruits. Just had a really nice breakfast. I had appam and stew, which is one of my absolute favorite things to eat. I'm so full and now I'm all set to start my work for the day. I have a lot of things on my to-do list, so I need to finish it. So what I like a lot about Hilton is that they have a lot of places for you to work from, like your desk or the recess cafe, the pool side if you like some fresh air, the dedicated workspace if you don't like to be disturbed, or if you're a little weird, maybe even the badminton court. No judgment, but I chose to work from my bed. So quick tip about workations. Whenever you come to a property like this, you will see that there are a lot of different spaces that you can work out of, right? But the most important thing that you need to remember to be productive is to find a spot that feels most productive to you as a person. For me, my bed feels the most productive space for me. For my husband, it's that desk where he's sitting. So figure out where you feel the most productive and get most of your work done there. Just because there are a lot of these different options doesn't mean you necessarily have to use them. And now, after a long work session in which I finished like 3 or 4 things off my to-do list, which is massive, we're back to lunch, and today we're having Indian food, which is my mom's favorite. So super excited to eat.
The fish is so tender. Indian food is, I think they make the best Indian food.
Done with lunch. It was some of the best food I've had here. Indian food, I think, is their speciality. It was so good. And now it's around 2:30. I want to go up and catch up on some work. I had a great sleep. I slept for like 2 hours straight. Honestly, I feel like Indian khane ke baad if you don't sleep, that's kind of like an insult to Indian khana. So I had a great sleep. Now I'm down. I wanted to be in the open for a little bit, so I've come down here. I'll maybe have some chai and some snacks as well. My mom is here with me. Paritosh has some meeting, so he's in the room on his phone calls as usual. But mom and I, we're going to have some coffee and probably some good things to eat as well. So in the evening, they have this amazing high tea spread, which I had no idea about. So I'm very excited to show you everything they have here. And there's like a deconstructed vada pav kind of a thing, which looks really nice. So there are these popcorn vada pav things, looks really good. Just got done with my massage. It was so beautiful. It was so calming. I'm already feeling a lot more relaxed than what I was feeling up until a couple of hours back. For now, I'm just going to head to my room and probably have dinner a little late in the night and then just sleep off. It's day 3 and the last day of our stay here. I just got up, got ready, and now I have like a lot of things to catch up on. It's the last day, and because this place is so pretty, I want to make use of the different locations it has. So I'm going to do a little bit of shooting for my videos. You'll see probably some of these videos come up on my channel in the future. I also have a team meeting which I have to take right now, and then breakfast also is something that I'm looking forward to. So I'm going to have breakfast as well. And yeah, it's a relatively busy day. और फिर बाद में around 12-1 बजे we'll check out, because even though मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं यहीं रह जाऊँ, I will not be able to live here for the rest of my life, so I have to leave as well. So for now, I'm going to get back to work after breakfast. So it's around 12 right now. We had an amazing vacation here. I got so much done. I got a lot of inspiration from the change of space, and I had a great time with my family. Thank you so much, Hilton, for having us here. And for now, I'm ending this vlog. I'll see you next time. Bye.